Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix video moderator error problem on Grok AI. To do this, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on apps. Now search for Grok AI. Now tap on storage. Now delete the cache file. Go back. We need to check internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data. And if you on mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi. And a weak unstable network can do this error. After go back, go to your Play Store. Now search Grok. Update your Grok available. Now open it and now check the video moderator error problem is fixed, and this very easy way to fix this problem. Thank you for my watching.